rotted right through that piece.
Really?
That's kind of odd. I might be able to put another tail piece in there, maybe. Everything's letting go as you get older.
Yeah.
I have all my brass stuff in here. I don't know if I got an 1¼ inch brass. I should. I know I got some in the garage. It's all 1½ inch shit, looks like. There we go. That's what's in there. Compression. Might be able to use that. Look at this. 1¼ inch by long. That's even better. If I can get this one, I'm going to have to cut it and see. I should be able to get it in. Maybe.
Well, arrange your pores, right?
So it sounds like. Sounds like you got a rotted pipe here. How's your washer doing? Okay?
Yeah. So far, so good. It's a safe washing machine.
Huh?
The washing machine wasn't that old.
Well, really don't give you much room in here, do they? See if I can back this thing out of here. It's all split. Ooh, what do we got there? Looks like you got yourself a present there. You want to hang around?
Hang around?
I charge extra if you watch.
Oh, well.
No? Sure you don't want to hang around?
No, I'll let you
You like that, huh?
unobserved.
Huh?
Unobserved. Yeah.
You didn't know I charged extra if you watch, did you? No?
No, I didn't know that.
I tell people that and then they take off. On bad, huh?
Now you gotta kind of enjoy.
Yeah, you gotta enjoy the journey, you know?
That's right.
If you can't enjoy the journey, you're doing something wrong. You know what I'm saying? You can't enjoy the journey. Shit. Life's too short to be miserable. Ain't that the truth? Huh? Shit, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
This thing's all flipping. She's a leaker. All the time here. Nothing's easy. Nothing's ever easy. Nothing's ever easy. It's gonna be a. That's what I call a shit show. You know. to the shit show. It's always an adventure. Do you miss working?
Do I miss working?
Yeah.
I never really stopped. Plus I retired from teaching.
You retired, aren't you? No?
Not really. Sort of.
Sort
I
of.
retired from one job, but I still deal with antiques, and I still
What the hell is going on with this sucker?
build and restore sailors' valentines.
So there's something going on, huh?
I've got work every day.
Really?
But I can start work when I want and end when I want.
I guess that's going on there straight. Seems like it's kind of queer. Don't seem like it's all going to go on here right for some reason.
Cross-threaded?
I don't know, it's weird. Should be going on there easier than that, I think. It's going on there. It's like being married, you know, it's not always easy. You know? Worst comes to worst, I'll cut that shit out and put a brand new trap in there, I guess. See if that works. Looks like it went on there straight, I guess. Not leaking. Leaks. This thing was just, you can see the hole in there.
So what was it? The metal pipe that was gone?
See the hole in it?
Oh.
See the hole?
Yeah.
That's it. I had a leak. Sprung a leak. It's a leaker. See the leaker. You see the holes right in the pipe there. See it?